This is going to be a family portrait for James, who ordered it for his dad in honor of his mother who passed away. It's going to be 4 planets, 2 to represent his mom and dad, and 2 to represent him and his brother. Blue, pink, white on the blue, yellow on the pink. Crumple up some newspaper, hold it down, and give it a couple of swipes. Swipe, swipe, shoo-sha, and dab. Yellow right here, blue right here. We're just reversing the colors. We're not reversing them, but mixing them. So on the blue, we're going to put pink, and on the yellow, we're going to put white. And then come back in with some dabulation. Dabby McGee it up. Get some dabernizations up in here. Yeah, cool. Add some shadows with store brand black. Just some little shadowy shadows here. Shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah. Block these off with some little cups. And the smaller ones off with little bottle caps. Weigh them down with something heavy. Now we'll spray everything in gloss black. Put some of this color shift purple to green on top of the black. Purple, shoo, green, yo, shing. Add some highlights with store brand white. Right here, right here, right here, right here. And poop a couple stars out there. And now we'll sign it. And the reveal. Shaw. Nice. Shaw. Ooh. Sha. Nice. Sha. That's dope. Nice. Hell yeah. Hope your dad likes it, James.